YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video, I'm going to talk to you about why I've been gone for the last few days, and I'm also going to unbox a new Louis Vuitton item that was gifted to me generously by one of you, and I'm so excited to show you that. I haven't actually seen it yet because of the crazy weekend that I had. So I put a message out on my community page. I don't know what day it was. I kind of lost track, that I would be unavailable for a little bit because of a family emergency, or I didn't even say a little bit. I just said that I wasn't going to be around because of family emergency, something like that. And what happened was that my son, my oldest son, got in an ATV accident, and we spent the better part of 3 days in the hospital. He's home now, and all the tests show that it looks like he is going to be okay, thank the Lord. But he was in the pediatric intensive care unit and then on the floor for a day after being in the intensive care unit for a couple days. And it was just a really, really rough and scary weekend. And he has a somewhat long recovery to get so where he can do what he wants to do. But all things considered, he didn't have anything, well, he had some things broken, but he didn't have anything broken that couldn't be repaired. So I am so thankful to the Lord for putting his arms around him when he was thrown from the ATV. So I'm going to put that aside, and I just want to go ahead and show you this gift that I received. So it's a small Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this came from one of my lovely subscribers and friends, Karen. And so let's go ahead and open it up. I know what it is because she told me, well, she asked me which one I might want. Everybody can get something from Louis Vuitton if you want an item. They have all price points, and this one is not as pricey as, of course, a handbag would be, but you get a little taste of Louis Vuitton with it, which is pretty cool. I do think that the case, the box that it comes in, is pretty neat, and we'll probably hang on to that. So since Louis Vuitton was originally started as a trunk company, they have travel guides for cities around the world, and this travel guide is for Venice. And here is the information. It's actually called a city guide. And Karen and I message each other from time to time, actually frequently. And she asked me which city I might want. And originally I said Rome because I'm going to Rome in a few weeks. I've actually been there before, but it's been more than 20 years. And then I thought about it because she mentioned some of the cities, and Venice is the one that I talked to her about. She said, I'm going to buy you this. What city do you want? And so I settled on Venice, and I'm so excited because Venice is the city where my husband proposed to me. And our anniversary is actually tomorrow. We'll have been married 19 years. And so opening this the day before the anniversary is kind of, I don't know, serendipitous. I don't know if that's the correct use of the word, but it's pretty cool. And you can see here on the back, this is from St. Mark's Square in Venice, and we were sitting by this area right before we went for a walk, and he proposed to me. So that is pretty cool. Now, due to the position of these gondolas here in this photo, it's not exactly where he proposed to me, but he did propose to me right alongside some of those gondolas along the main waterway area by St. Mark's Square, which is right there. So this book has a wealth of information. There's just gobs and gobs of information about Venice, as well as photographs and recommendations of places to go and things to see. And I'm excited to peruse through it. We have some time here at home over the next few days that we really need to take it easy and decompress after being gone in the hospital for a few days. And so this is going to be a nice distraction. For some reason, my internet is really not working at home, and neither is my phone internet, which is very strange. So we may go OG and do some book reading instead. Karen has sent me one other book in the past, and it's this Hermes pop-up book. And I think this book is just absolutely stunning. It really showcases Hermes's use of color and the incredible designs that they can have. It really reminds me of some of the silk that I've seen through the windows and inside their stores. And so getting these two little pieces of Hermes and Louis Vuitton is quite special, and I thank you so much, Karen, for gifting these to me. It was so sweet of you, and I do treasure our friendship, so thank you again. So I think that wraps it up for today. I know this is a very short video, and I just don't have it in me to do anymore. If you did enjoy this in any way, I don't know that it's enjoyable, but if you would give me a thumbs up, that would help me out. I would appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.